Hey, how's it going, you guys? In today's video, we're going to remove my OEM seat and replace it with this Bride Brix seat. But first, let's give it a wash. While our Bride seats are drying, we're going to remove the OEM ones. To remove them, all we need is a 12mm socket. There's going to be 2 in the front, as well as 2 in the back. With these universal rail sliders, we're gonna have to drill 2 new holes for it, so we then can mount it onto the planted rail.
No, I just got like a second hole on this side so the bottom of these rails match up.
I'm also going to take the original seatbelt buckle and attach it to the new planted seat rails.
Wow, yeah, okay. I think I like that.